Here are some tips for keeping your colored locks hydrated. Dye does not have to be a death sentence for your hair, but it very well can be if you are not keeping up your aftercare. So first of all, especially if you're dyeing your hair yourself at home, make sure that you're fully washing that dye out your hair. Because if that dye is stuck in your locks, it is slowly but surely eating away at your locks from the inside. Wash it thoroughly. When you finish washing it, wash it again. And then again. Okay? If you're color treating your hair, I don't want you to be one of those people who are afraid of conditioner. Yes, product buildup is absolutely a possibility. To avoid and prevent product buildup, I want you to dilute your conditioner. I want you to soak your locks afterwards in a basin. That might help you remove any conditioner that is stubborn and not washing out. I want you to use leave-in conditioners, whether that's something that you buy at the drugstore or something like the Rosewater Moisturizer from KeishaCharmaine.com, which is actually buy one get one free if you're watching this video at the time that it's been uploaded. Right now, all of our lock moisturizers, whether it's the Rosewater Moisturizer in the mist bottle or the refills, they're all buy one get one free. So definitely rack up today while you can. You can also use regular mist, as in water, distilled water, and then follow up with an oil that will seal your hair, seal the moisture into your hair. And I would recommend an oil like the horsetail leaf growth oil or the urban lime oil, because these oils are infused with horsetail. Horsetail is an amazing herb because of its high silica content. The silica in the horsetail is going to help strengthen your hair. Something that you need after you color your hair, absolutely, strength. Because the process of coloring your hair, which involves lifting, weakens your hair. So horsetail is a really great ingredient that is going to help your hair get stronger. And our horsetail leaf growth oil is our forever favorite bestseller. This product is going to be available forever, right? But if you're interested in the herb and lime oil, definitely hop on this now, because after this month, it's not coming back until next year. You can also use such products for hot oil treatments. Steam your hair. You can get an actual steamer, or you can do it the old-fashioned way and by misting your hair a little bit, putting it in a plastic wrap, and then getting in a hot shower. That's what I used to do back in the day all the time. It works. And then after I would get out the shower, take the plastic off, and I will go ahead with my oils. So if you have colored locks, you want to make sure you are on it, on top of your moisturizing routine. Don't slip up. I mean, if you slip up, it's okay, but don't slip up for too long. I mean, we all slip up sometimes, right? But don't stay slipped for too long. Thank you so much for watching. Again, head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and hop on our buy one get one free sale for the Rosewater Moisturizers. And if you're watching this video past the time that I uploaded it, it's okay. Head over to KeishaCharmaine.com anyway and see what offers are available to you now. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.